For this lesson, we are going to be learning about equal groups. The word equal means if we have the same amount. Now, our I can statement is I can compare groups to see whether they are equal, if they are the same, by matching. Now, matching is when you are going to put two items together and match them together. So I see on my carpet, my friend Marta has a lot of toy cars. It looks like she has some yellow cars and some red cars. I want to know if we have the same number of red cars as we do yellow cars. Now, I can count them real quick, but I'm afraid I might lose count. And in order for me to stay nice, neat, and organized, I'm going to draw lines to help me match and see if I have an equal amount. So I see a yellow car, and I'm going to draw a line straight to the red car. Okay, so I matched those two colors together. Now I'm going to find another one and draw a line from a red car to a yellow car. Now I see a red car here. Am I going to go all the way down and match this one? No, because that's a little far. So I'm going to do one that's really close to it. So I match those two together. This one's close to this one, so I'm going to match this one to this one. And then this yellow car is close to this red car, so I'm going to match them together. So I see I have one match, two match, three match, and four matches. So this tells me that I have just as much yellow cars as I do red cars. So they are equal groups. So my friend Marta is thinking about all the yo-yos that she has. She's going to see if she has the same amount or equal groups of yo-yos. So she organized her yo-yos on green up here and orange down here, and she drew a line to compare and to match to see if she has the same amount. So she drew a line to the green yo-yo to the orange, green to the orange, green to the orange, and she sees that she has equal groups, so she put a big old circle around the whole image. Now on this one, she has yellow yo-yos and blue yo-yos, so she started comparing and matching them. So she drew a line from the red yo-yo to the blue, red to the blue, red to the blue. Then she noticed she had one more red yo-yo than she did blue yo-yos. So she didn't have one to match. So this tells me they are not equal groups. So she put a big X to show that they are not equal. All right, let's go ahead and do this guided practice together. So on number one, I have some red spinner tops and some blue spinner tops. So I'm going to draw a line to match them and see if I have equal groups or the same amount or not. Now, like we talked about, I see a red one here. Am I going to draw a line all the way over here? No, because that gets super messy, and then I think I'll get a little confused when I'm counting. So I'm going to draw a line that's the closest one to the first one. So I have one right here. So I'm going to draw a line from the red to the blue, red to the blue, red to the blue, red to the blue. Now I notice I have none left over. So that tells me I have just as much red spinner tops as I do blue spinner tops. So they are equal amounts and they are the same amount. So I put a big old circle around it. For your lesson, I want you to go through and do the same thing. Look at how many green Legos you have and how many yellow Legos you have. You are going to draw a line from the green Lego to the yellow Lego, the green to the yellow, green to the yellow. If it does not have equal groups or the same amount, you're going to put a big old X on top of those Legos. And if they do have the same amount or equal groups, you're going to put a big old circle around it. When you're finished with this page, turn it into your teacher.